Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to retarget people who visited your Facebook page. This is perfect if you want more leads, more calls and more sales from people who already know your business. Why retargeting matters? Retargeting is powerful because it shows ads only to people who have already visited your page. They are warm leads, they know you and they are way more likely to buy. So first you need to go to business.facebook.com. That's called Meta Business Suite. Then go for all tools. Then click on audience. Then click create audience. Click on custom audience and select your source Facebook page. Then next. Now select your page. So I'm going to select my page and select events. So we will select people who engaged your page, people who visited your page. So I will select people who visited your page. Then I will add audience retention. That means how long someone stay in this audience. So I will stay with 30 days. Then create a audience name like page visit 30 days. Then create audience. Done. Now go to your ads campaign and click on ad set. Select your audience option. Include this custom audience. So search your custom audience like page visit 30 days. So select it. So your custom audience is selected. Now your ads will show only to people who visited your page. That is warm audience. So if you want more marketing quick tutorial, you can follow me. Thank you.